September 26, 2024. Baguio City, that's the cathedral. That's the available right now, 6th floor. That's the one. 11 million pesos. Imagine, that's the 8th floor right there. The fifth. The one ongoing is the 8th floor. And the one available for sale on that location, but it's 6th floor. 37 square meter. 11 million pesos. 11 million pesos. And we're at Tower 2. And that's Tower 7. That's going public market. Baguio public market. And that's going to SM. 8 minutes walk. And this is gonna be eventually turned over. And that's right now it's an office.